So, things what we see in like every day, like DNS implementations. Let's talk a little bit about like IXFR. There are different options. One of them is not implemented at all, maybe in the software. The other one is like, yeah, it implements, but it can only use it. It cannot do IXFR out. And maybe it can do IXFR out if it's loaded from files. Maybe it can do if it's loaded from network, even if it's like AXFR, sorry, yeah. Or it might be that one of the versions has like a serious bug. Or maybe you should just use one version. I mean, when you are storing like different versions on disk, because there is another bug maybe. And there are software with different vendors out in the wild, and all of these options are possible, and all of these options what I have seen. ZONEMD. There are some. So these are the possibilities. Maybe it's not implemented at all. Maybe software implements the RR type, but it cannot really do anything with it. Maybe it can generate a ZONEMD. Maybe it can verify. Both can be at the same time, of course. So, okay. And there is catalog zones. There is a page for catalog zones from 2020. It doesn't mention bind, for example, at all. Spoiler alert, bind implements catalog zones. There is a web page for DNS step. I don't know, it might be okay. The question is, should it be like a central place? Because every time when someone like I or you need it, we can do a research. We can go through the different software, do some experimentation. But is this like really efficient to do this all the time? Or, I don't know, maybe there can be some kind of like central place. Maybe someone who finds something such as these can report, and maybe this information could be collected or curated centrally at DNS OARC. I don't know. This is my idea or question to you, like, I don't know, hands up if someone thinks this is like, actually would be like useful to have like a central place where this information is collected. Or hands up who thinks it shouldn't be. Then everyone thinks it should be. I don't know, maybe let's talk about it later in the hallway or something. Yeah. So.
Thank you for inventing more work for the DNS OARC.